Welcome to English pronunciation lesson. Let's go! Bikini, 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 bikini. For example, bikini are sexy clothes that girls wear on the beach. I love bikini very much. Let's repeat one more time. Bikini, pregnancy, pregnancy, pregnancy. For example, my wife has a pregnancy. She has a very big belly and soon we will have 2 children. Let's repeat one more time. Pregnancy, sexualities, sexualities, sexualities. For example, my wife has a good sexualities. She has nice legs, attractive eyes and a big mouth. Let's repeat one more time. Sexualities. Okay? Subscribe to my channel and you will know English very well. And now choose a new word to learn.